Story: The Stonecutter's Choice. Once, in a small village, there lived a humble stonecutter. Every day, he went to the mountains, cutting and shaping stones for a living. Though he worked hard, he often felt dissatisfied, wishing for a better life. One day, as he was working under the blazing sun, he muttered, "The sun is so powerful. I wish I could be the sun." To his amazement, his wish was granted, and he transformed into the sun. He blazed brightly, shining over the land, feeling powerful and unstoppable. But soon, a cloud drifted in and blocked his rays. No matter how fiercely he shone, he couldn't penetrate the cloud. Frustrated, he said, "The cloud is stronger than the sun. I wish I could be the cloud." Instantly, he became a mighty cloud, pouring rain and covering the sky. Then, he noticed a strong wind blowing him away. He realized he wasn't as invincible as he thought. "The wind is stronger than the cloud. I wish I could be the wind," he declared. In a flash, he became the wind, rushing through the land with incredible force, toppling trees and moving mountains. But as he blew against a massive rock, he couldn't budge it. "The rock is mightier than the wind. I wish I could be the rock." And so, he became a rock, strong and immovable, feeling indestructible. One day, a stonecutter came to the mountain and began chipping away at the rock. Piece by piece, the rock began to crumble. The stonecutter realized, "The stonecutter is stronger than the rock. I wish I could be a stonecutter." In an instant, he returned to his original form, standing with his tools in hand. But this time, he felt content. He understood the power of his own role and the value of being himself. Moral: True strength lies not in what we wish to be but in appreciating